Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 5.2 question number 3. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. Colors: blue, number of people preferred by 18, green 9, red 6, yellow 3, and total number of people is 36. Right? Find the proportion of each sector. For example, blue 18 by 36, that is 1 by 2. Green is 9 by 36, that is 1 by 4, and so on. Use this to find the corresponding angles. Let us find the table first. Here it is colors. This is colors. Colors. Next is number of people. Number of people. Number of people. Number of people. This is number of people. Number of people. And this one is in fraction. In fraction. In fraction. And this one is central angle. Central angle. This is central angle. Central angle. This is central angle. Now colors. First one is blue. Next is green. Next one is red. Next one is red. Next one is yellow. 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 See, number of people is 18. Then it is 9. That is 6. It is 3. And total number is 36. Here it is 36. Total is 36. This is total. Total number is 36. That is total. Right? Then fraction. In fraction it is 18 by 36. It is 18 by 36. This one is 9 by 36. This one is 6 by 36. And this one is 3 by 36. We'll find the central angle. We'll find the central angle. (18 by 36) into 360. 18 by 36 into 360 degree. 60 degree. Then we are getting 180 degree. 180 degree. Number 9 by 36 by 36 into 360 degree. 60 degree. That we are getting 90 degree. we are getting 90 degree. Next one is 6 by 36. 6 by 36 into 360 degree. 360 degree. Then we are getting 60 degree. 60 degree. Next one is 3 by 36. 3 by 36 into 360 degree. 360 degree. Then we are getting 30 degree. Right? Now we'll make the pie chart of this table. Let us take a circle first. Let us take a circle. We are taking a circle here. Here we made a circle. Let us change the color line. This is the circle. Now first of all, with the help of the ruler, make the radius. First of all, we are making the radius here. You see, we are making the radius. Right? Now we have to make 180 degree. Right? The first angle is 180. Let us make 180 degree. This is 180 degree. Made 180 degree. Next is 90 degree. 90 degree. Let us make 90 degree with the help of protector. Let us make 90 degree with the help of protector. Let us take a protector first. Make an angle of 90 degree. Let us take this. Put the protector in the right position and make 90 degree. This is 90. You see, this is exactly 90 degree. Right? Now with the help of the ruler, we will draw this line. With the help of this ruler, we will draw this line. With the help of this ruler, we will draw this line. That is 90 degree. Where you see? This is exactly 90 degree. You see, we are drawing this one. Right? Next one is 60 degree and 30 degree. With the help of the protector, again, we are drawing angle of 60 degree. Take the help of protector. With the help of this protector, we will make an angle of 60 degree. Here you see, put the protector in the right position, in proper position, and make an angle of 60 degree. Here you see, this is exactly 60 degree. Right? Therefore, if we draw this line with the help of this ruler, then we'll get 60 degree. Right? With the help of this, we are making an angle of 60 degree. Right? We draw the pie chart. Now we'll write the various colors. Right? Let us write the various colors. Here we are writing that 180 degree, that is blue. It is blue. And it is 180 degree. 90 degree, that is green. It is green. This is 90 degree. Red, that is 60 degree. Red, this is red. This is 60 degree. And that is yellow, 30 degree. This is yellow. And this one is 30 degree. Right? This is the pie chart. This is the pie chart. First of all, you have to make the table and find the central angle. After that, you have to make the pie chart. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.